Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. I am Sanvi and in today's video we have French words with silent letters. So let's get started. The first word is fille, which means sun. The silent letter is S. The next French word is temps, meaning time. The silent letters are P and S. The next French word is vous, meaning you. The silent letter is S. The next French word is froid, which means cold. The silent letter is D. The French word is petit, which means small. The silent letter is T. The next French word is grand, which means big. The silent letter is D. The next French word is blanc, which means white. The silent letter is C. The next French word is chat, which means cat. The silent letter is T. The next French word is nez, which means nose. The silent letter is Z. The next French word is femme, which means woman. The silent letter is E. The next French word is plomb, which means lead. The silent letter is B. The next French word is doigt, which means finger. The silent letters are G and T. The next French word is corps, which means body. The silent letters are P and S. The next French word is beaucoup, which means a lot. The silent letter is P. The next word is frais, which means fresh. The silent letter is S. Merci, please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.